Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start in Fortnite settings. Open the Audio tab and turn voice chat on immediately. This enables all following changes. Next, select the proper input device so your microphone is recognized by the game. While here, pick the voice channel, Party for Friends or Game Voice for all players, because that controls who hears you. Once done, set voice chat volume to a clear level and leave push-to-talk off only if you want open mics. Now you'll confirm system-level settings. In your operating system/audio device panel, make sure the same microphone is active that Fortnite uses, because mismatched devices cause silence. Then run Fortnite's voice input test or join a party to verify levels, speak naturally and watch the voice meter. Also check microphone privacy or app permissions. Grant Fortnite access so the OS doesn't block audio. If using a headset with mute button, verify it's unmuted before moving on. For final completion, validate network and platform quirks. Make sure your NAT type is open or moderate because strict NAT can block voice chat. Restart Fortnite or your console/PC after changing settings, then join a party for a final test. If issues persist, reinstall your audio driver or switch to a direct USB mic to bypass driver conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: if others can't hear you but your meter moves, mute/.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.